Hi boys and girls, Miss Sang here. Today we are going to make a Pompom rocket launcher. What you'll need is some sticky tape, a pair of scissors, 2 toilet rolls, 2 elastic bands, a pencil or a pen that you're not using, and also some paper. Now, first thing you need to do is to get your toilet roll, and you are going to snip the top just like this. You might need some help from mum and dad, but you need to cut it like this. Alright, so there you can see you've cut it like that, but keep it straight, and on the exact opposite side you have to do the same. There you go. So now if you look at the toilet roll like this, you've snipped this bit here and this bit here, but keep it straight. What you'll need to do is to get your elastic band and pop it through there. So it's sitting like that, and use a piece of sticky tape to stick it down. Just like that. Another piece there. Make sure it doesn't move. And do it same thing on the other side. So again, I've got my elastic band. I'm popping it through there. There we go. Make sure it's nice and secure, and again put some sticky tape to secure it. So that is the first step. It will look like this if you turned it to the side. The elastic is nice and secure like that. Now the next step is getting your other toilet roll and pressing it flat, just like this, and then folding it in half, like that. There it is. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then what you're going to do is get your pencil and poke a hole right through the center there. Okay, so about there. Now this bit you might need mum and dad to help you. You might actually need a pair of scissors to poke it. So I've got my scissors. Opening it back up. I'm going to poke the hole. Through there. So now you have a hole, and you're going to grab your pencil and you're going to poke it through the hole. So there we go. Now my pencil is right through the middle of the flat toilet roll. Now what you need to do is get the rocket launcher. You need to put this into the bottom like that, and what you need to do next is grab the elastic and pop it through the pencil, and this one as well, and you've got a little rocket launcher like this. So then what you need to do with your piece of paper is to scrunch it into a ball. Or if you have a pom-pom, you can use that. How to play with your rocket launcher is pop the ball into the top of your rocket launcher and then simply pull the bottom bit down. Now all you need is a good aim. Good luck!